Hello everyone, this is Sihan from the Research and Development Department in Market Equity, and in this video I'm going to be talking about some of the important instruments and their price movement predictions for the day, which falls on a Tuesday, 17th of August 2021. Let's begin with the US oil, where in the previous videos we said that after breaking down through level 69.40, it supports the continuity of the downtrend in the 4-hour time frame as well as the targeting of around level 65. The US oil reached level 65 and rebounded upwards to correct, where it retested level 69.40 once again before rebounding down to form a low around level 65.50. And now by forming a peak around level 67.60 and holding below it, it will support the continuity of the downtrend in the 4-hour time frame as well as the targeting of around level 65 once again. If we look at the daily time frame, we can see that level 65 resembles a major horizontal support level, and by breaking down through it, the US oil will be starting a downtrend in the daily time frame as well as the smaller time frames, which will then extend to target around level 61.75 and then around level 57.40. If we notice the RSI indicator in the 4-hour time frame, then we can see that by moving around level 40, it supports the continuity of the current downtrend in the 4-hour time frame. That was it for the US oil. Let's move on to the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. In the previous videos, we said that the pair is moving in a downtrend which was expected to continue after rebounding down off of around level 1.2590. However, the pair failed to break down through level 1.2475 and instead formed a low around level 1.2485, which was higher than the previous one that was around level 1.2425, and due to that it increases the probability of breaking upwards to level 1.2590 to continue the uptrend in the daily time frame and to start a new uptrend in the 4-hour time frame, which will then extend to target around level 1.2675 and then around level 1.2785. If we notice the RSI indicator in the 4-hour time frame, then we can see that by moving around level 70 near the overbought area, it supports the probability of continuing the correctional sideways movement in the 4-hour time frame, which will end by breaking upwards to level 1.2590. That was it for the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. Let's move on to the US 500 index. As we mentioned in the previous videos, we said that the index is moving in an uptrend that was expected to continue, and we said that by breaking upwards to level 44.65, it will support the continuity of the uptrend, which will then continue to target around level 44.75 and then around level 4,500. The index broke upwards to level 44.68 and then continued to form a peak around level 44.81, which it then rebounded downwards off of to correct and is currently being traded below level 44.68, and by rebounding upwards off of around the current levels or off of around level 44.60, it will support the continuity of the uptrend as well as the targeting of around level 44.81 once again and then around level 4,500. If we notice the RSI indicator in the 4-hour time frame, then we can see that by rebounding down off of around level 70 near the overbought area, it supports the continuity of the current downwards correctional movement before continuing with the uptrend. That was it for the US 500 index. Market Equity wishes you successful trading and have a nice day.